You allowed recording. Okay. Good morning, students. Uh, we have started revision of MCQs. Very small point of the chapter as a summary, as a formula, as a reason, the statement which are useful for the proof and calculation. That all are very useful in MCQ. If you have any questions for us, you can raise your hand in chat box. So team will allow you to ask. So don't worry. One triangle is given PQR. ES is perpendicular to QR. This is X, this is Y, this is W, this is T, this is Z. So we have to write area of triangle TSQ divided by area of triangle TSR. When heights are equal, area of ratio is equal to the ratio of the base. When base are equal, ratio of area is equal to ratio of height. Your height equal, so we have to write base. This triangle first, so base by base. Actually, it is half into height into base. Again, half into height into base. So this cancel. So from that, we can form the statement. When heights are equal, ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of its respective base. Then BPT based question, basic proportionality theorem, ABC. DE. This is X, Y, Z, W. X by Y is equal to question. See, from two sides intersection point, whose sides are cut by secant. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. See, rhythmic from here 1, 2, same 1, 2. If they will give y by x, so 1, 2, so 1, 2. As per rhythmic, from upper to lower, so upper to lower, lower to upper, so lower to upper. In the rhythmic way, you have to write the answer. Angle bisector also. Same angle A, B, C, D. Suppose question is A by B. You have to write the answer. Left to right, so left to right. If they will ask B by A, B by A. Right to left, right to left. Suppose they will give A by C. Upper, lower, so upper, lower. So in a diagram, you have to see the rhythm, left to right, again left to right, upper to lower, upper to lower, lower to upper, lower to upper. In that position, you have to write the answer. Now, application of BPD. What is the application of BPD? In two triangle BPD at a time, by that you will get three lines are parallel. Three lines are parallel and 2 seconds are there. So that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, F, G. So left to right it is given A to B. So what is the answer? C to D. If it is given reversible, D by A, so D by C. This to this, this to this, this to this, this to this. Now if given upper to lower, then B by D. Every time you will find the product same. Correct? So in that case, rhythmic, this by this, this by this. A by B, C by D. D by C, B by A. Now, this point of this chapter, it is very important. When triangles are similar to each other, when triangles are similar to each other, ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of the side. For example, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. AB is equal to PQ, AB is to PQ is equal to 3:4. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Any side square means respective. Suppose AB first second, so first second. AB PQ square 3/4 square. That is 3 3s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. If it is BC, so QR, BC by QR, or if it is first and last, AB, so first and last. So rhythmic, and always we will write in that heart shape. For example, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC rhythmic heart shape. First, second, second, third, third, first. First, second, second, third, third, first. So that is AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. I have taken first, second. So here also first, second. I have taken second and third. So second and third. I have taken third and first. So third and first. Rhythmic. So there will be no chance of any mistake. If one alphabet will change, but you have to follow the name of this triangle in similarity, width similar to width. If it is given in a zigzag way, QPR, not PQR. Again, AB first second, so first second. BC, so PR. CA, so RQ. So that rhythm you have to follow. Then only substitution. Then only substitution. One more to find.
Sir, can you explain this sum? Can you explain this sum next? Now you have
Last
shown
one.
that sum. Yes.
Okay. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Triangle A when triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, at that time ratio of area of two triangles is equal to ratio of square of two sides. Means that you have to take rhythmic first second to first second. Means AB first second, PQ first second square. Or suppose I will take second third. So here also second third. B and C, Q and R. First second, second third, third first. Heart shape. So it is CA, third and first, RP. So rhythmic. And they have given AB is to PQ, means AB by PQ it is given 3 is to 4. So 3 by 4 overall square is equal to 9 by 16, like that. And suppose it is in zigzag way, triangle ABC, similar triangle, suppose it is Q here, R here and P here. So again, first second, so first second. Second third, second third. Third first, third first. CA, PQ. So rhythm you have to follow that it is first and second. So from these also you have to take first and second. It is second and third. So copy second and third. It is third and first. So third and first. Like that you have to find out the pair. Then next question is angle related. Angle B, angle C, angle A. Congruent to, congruent to, congruent to in this pair. And here, angle C, angle B, angle A. congruent. So alphabet B, it is in the center. So find out center. Means second one. Alphabet C, that is the third. So find out third. That is your answer. A is the first alphabet. So first alphabet. So in don't write in this direct PQR, RPQ. No. C is the third one. So find out third one. B is the middle one. So middle one. This is called 1:1 correspondence. A to Q. Correct. So respective sides and respective angles. Respective sides are in proportion and respective angles are congruent in similarity. And in congruent triangle, respective sides are also congruent and respective angles are also congruent. And where it is only similar, angle will be the congruent, but sides are in proportion. Means all the ratios are equal. Base 1, 9. Height 1, 5. Base 2, 18. Height 2, question. Again, both the triangles are similar. Triangle A, triangle A1, similar triangle A2. So always base ratio is equal to height ratio. So base it is 9 by 18. This is 5 by height 2. Cross product 18, 5. When two triangles are similar, ratio of base and ratio of height are equal. So 9 goes down. 9 2s are 5 to the 10. So by this MCQs, this small point concept will be clear. We have seen from respective side how to find out the ratio of area. Now from ratio of area to respective side. Area 1 by area 2, it is given S1 by S2 square. So area 1 is equal to 100 given. Area 2, it is given 25. So you have to find S1, S2. So by substituting 100, 25 is equal to S1, S2 total square. Now this is 10 square, 5 square, S1 square, S2 square. Now 10 by 5 overall square, S1 by S2 overall square, taking square root on both the side. 10 by 5 is equal to S1 by S2. You can make it half, smaller ratio. So S1 S2 in 2:1, you can write 10:5 also, it is correct. Hello?
Sir, how it will be 10 square? Sir,
Huh.
how it will be 10 square upon 5 square?
100 is equal to 10 square. 100 is equal to 10 square. 10 square, because these are square, no? That is why I have to convert this also in square. So 100 is equal to 10 square. 10 tens are 100. 25 is equal to 5 square, because 5 5s are 25. We will ask, suppose it is not a perfect square. Suppose it is given A1 by A2 is equal to S1 by S2. Suppose area is given 17 by 8, 17 by 19. So this I can convert into the perfect square. This also I can convert into perfect square. Root 17 square is equal to 17. 10 square is equal to 100. Like that, root 17 square is equal to 17. Root 19 square is equal to 19. So cancel this. So root 17, root 19. This is the method you have to convert into the square, perfect square form. When it is not possible, these both are perfect square. Suppose these both are not perfect square, make it perfect square. How? By adding root. Here also I can add root 100 square. But root 100 square, root 25 square. Root 100 means what? 10 square. So here will be the same. Root 25 means what? 5, and square will be square. So when it is not a perfect square, you make it by root sign. So S1, S2, like that. In this triangle, PQR ABC, this X and this X are equal. These two angles are equal. This Y and this Y are equal. First of all, we have to find out the test by which test these two triangles are similar. No sides are given. So one angle equal, second angle are also equal. So third automatically equal. How? Suppose first angle is 50-50, X. Second one is 60-60. That is Y. So third one, this is 110, 180 minus 110, so it is 80. This is also 80. So third one automatically will be equal if two angles are congruent. Third also congruent. Because sum of 3 is 180. Among that two are equal, so third one, rest of part also equal. Follow. So I will write Z, automatically it is equal. So simple, by A or 2A also you can write AA test or AAA test. It is similar to each other. Now you can't directly write triangle AB PQR. Similar triangle ABC. No. X to X is what? Angle Q congruent to angle A is equal to X. Y to Y. C to B.
Sir, sir, how it will be AA test? Please explain again.
In two triangles, If first are equal, if second are equal, sum of ABC is 180. So from 180 you will reduce to, so third is automatically 18. From in another triangle, two angles are given. How to find third? Make the sum reduce from 180, so you will get third. So two angles are equal, third automatically equal. For example, it is 50, this is 50. This is 70, how much is this? This is 70, how much is this? 50, 50 only given equal, 70, 70 only given equal. So 50 plus 70, 120. But total is 360, 180, in triangle 180. From triangle 180, remove 120. So automatically it is 60. This also, total 120, third automatically it is 60. So in two triangles, when two angles are equal, third automatically equal. So you can write angle test or angle test. A also correct, A also correct. For similarity, not for congruent. And how to write 1:1 vertices? Q and A are X, P and B are Y, R and C are Z. Now this QPR, first, second, third, triangle similar to ABC. If you can write ABC equal to PQ, are wrong. It is not similar. QPR is similar to ABC, means 1 to 1. First angle XX, second angle YY, third angle. So vertices to vertices, these are similar. So while writing congruent pair or similarity pair, angle to angle or side to side, it should match. For example, opposite to Y is QR. Opposite to Y is AB. So X, Y, Z, P, QPR it is correct. X, A, ABC, that is also correct. Opposite to Y is QR, correct. Now opposite to Y is AC, correct. Now opposite to X is PR. Opposite to X is BC. Like that. Every thing should be matched, angle to angle, side to side, in that sequence. Suppose I will write opposite to Z is PQ. P and Q means third and second, third and first. Opposite to Z, AB, third and first, or second and first. So like that, side to side, angle to angle, it should match. Then only you can write the name as per that sequence, as per that rhythm in congruent pair and similarity pair. This is very good diagram. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. ABCD 6, 10, 8. We want area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DCB. Half into height into base. Half into, in two way half we can see. Half into height into base. So these base are equal, so you can cancel. Half also you can cancel. So when base are equal, ratio of area is equal to height by height. So 6 by 8, make it half, 3 by 4. Here you can observe that BC is a common base. So height by height. Second, half into height into base, half into height into base. If you will write 10, 10, 10, 10 will cancel. If you will take into the, if you will count that into the calculation, then also you will get this answer by 3 ways. See, first, if you don't nothing about that, so this into 6 into 10, correct? This cancel, so it is 30. This cancel, 40. This cancel, 3 by first method. Second method, half into 6 into 10, half into 8 into 10, half equal, 10, 10 equal, 6 by 8, 3 by 4. Same answer. And by observation, you can say that BC base are equal. So area by area is equal to height by height. Area by area, height by height, height by height. So this answer, this answer, this answer are equal. Officially by half into height into base you can do. By cancellation also you can do. By taking only height also you can do. So this part we have to do in rough work. So try to get fast, so you will not use more time on that, and very easily you can write. Now next point is very important. Opposite to 30, opposite to 60, opposite to 45. These 3 points are very important. First, we will take 30 degree. In two ways they can ask. This is 90, 90, 30, 30. So automatically it is 60, because 90 plus 30 is 120. 180 minus 120, 60. Two ways. We know that side opposite of 30 is equal to half of hypotenuse. This statement you have to mug up. 30 opposite side is always half of the hypotenuse. For example, ABC or here PQR. Related to 30, we are solving. Suppose it is given 12. Suppose it is given 4. I will, for first and second, for first I will write the formula. Opposite of 30 means what? AB. Hypotenuse means what? AC. So half, hypotenuse half, 12 is equal to 6. So this is automatically, you will get the answer